Since ancient times, the oak tree has been the symbol of beauty, strength, and longevity. Coming close to the oak tree is an inspiring experience. Such natural wealth deserves care of sustainable forestry. That is why we cut a tree before it will pass away and we plant a new tree instead. And then we give the tree a second life in our homes. We as Bauwerk Boen Group take care to transfer this positive energy of the oak tree, while handling it at each step. The wood gets a new shape and purpose, while the man uses the state-of-the-art machines. We ensure the best yield and quality by precise technology and the human touch. We take intensive care of the wood and we dry it in strictly monitored environment. Which results in the top-class wooden material. The strong bond of wood, man and machine becomes interwoven into each of our products in order to produce top-quality parquet for you. The floor is the biggest piece of furniture in each home, so it is worthy of all of our attention. Our two great brands of remarkable history, Bauwerk and Boen, made us one of the world's leading high-end parquet manufacturer. We are producing more than 9 million square meters of parquet annually and distribute it in over 50 countries worldwide. Our multinational corporation is made of approximately 1,800 employees all around the globe. We treat people respectfully because only satisfied employees can make excellent products. We are passionate and dynamic in our work in order to achieve top results. We offer you distinctive variety so you could express yourselves choosing from different styles in order to create a beautiful home that really fits your life and your needs. So take a deep breath and touch the warmth of nature. This is who we are, respectful and dynamic. Bauwerk Boen.